light also. So
Oh, you have, yeah?
good, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so where is it? All right, up in the attic. Let's have a look. All right. Okay. Condense. Also condense frozen. So let's see. Yeah, I can hear it gurgling. So it's the condense is blocked. So this is it. See, it's all full.
Okay.
Luckily nothing's leaking from the inside. A little bit of dribble here.
Okay.
But yeah, we'll have to empty this out. Your condense outside, you see this pipe here?
Correct.
This one is frozen.
Okay.
Okay.
But this is why it is not going away.
That's right, yeah. I'm gonna open this out. See?
Yeah.
So right, we've got the boiler up and running now. So it's working. Okay. What we need to do is check the condense outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise it's going to fill up again and we'll have the same issue.
Yeah.
All right.
What?
Yeah, so look, listen to this.
Yeah.
It's hollow.
Yeah.
And then it's hard there. That's solid all the way, even on a 32mm. So I've just banged this out here, and if you see, look, you see?
Yeah.
Big chunks.
Correct.
Look at that.
Correct.
That's why it's blocked.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get some warm water.
So hot water, right?
Yeah, look.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was another customer who's called me out. They're a member of British Gas, and obviously they're on strike. So I've come out and had to deal with this. It's just unfortunate. The customer's condense strap was frozen. That's a 32mm pipe coming out. But yeah, it's just unlucky that their pipe's frozen on that size. So.
Boilers 24/7.